Hey Divine One, thanks for joining me for today's Inner Child Oracle card reading. I have some beautiful cards around the question, what does your inner child need to know as you start to forge new relationships? It could be business partnerships, but I'm really feeling the word relationships as we enter into this new energy, this new paradigm, this new version of you. So take a deep breath, ask if this is for you. Here we go. The very first card we pulled was Blair Rebellion. When she comes out, especially around like that feeling of relationships, it's really about coming back to the center of your own heart. Blair Rebellion represents not giving into rebellion against the status quo or conforming to the status quo, but really finding your own center, your own truth, understanding what that perfect love and relationship looks like to you, and really allowing yourself to choose and embody all that you want to call in. There is a way that is perfect and right for you, and there is a love that is perfect and right for you as you come back to your center, your integrity, and your wholeness. Then we have Vinny Frustration reversed. As I pulled this card, when he's reversed, he's saying that you might be getting a little lackadaisical or messy about some of your projects. And so you might be really hyper-focused on finding this relationship and love. But we have to remember not to lose ourselves, not to lose your passion projects, your creativity, the things that you're really trying towards. It's possible to have that beautiful, healthy love and have your own life, have your own passions, have your own creations. And so it's important to remember that. Penelope came out reversed. Yes, that means she's normally unworthy when she's this way, but this way she's saying your inner child is really learning what they're worth. They're really allowing that really healthy, magnificent, powerful vibrations and relationships to come in, owning and honoring their true inner worth, their divinity, their purity, their essence. And so whatever you are calling in right now, it's coming from that healed place of worthiness and love. And very last, we got Serena cleansing, and I'm going to probably pull just one more card really quick for you guys, just so we have somewhere to wrap this up. But when she's cleansing, she's saying that it's really important to clear out all of the old to welcome in the new. So if you are calling in this love or you are trying to create a healthier relationship, make sure you're clearing out all of the old stagnant energies and the ways of the past. Let's just pull a card for clarity really quick. Powerful. 2 cards fell out. So yes, cleaning out all that old stagnant energy and remembering that as you anchor into yourself and your truth and be able to support yourself and honor your pure divinity, your love, your magic, your inner essence, all of it is going to be magic. You're going to pull in that beautiful, powerful love that it is in alignment with your heart's calling, and you're still going to be able to manage and keep yourself. You're not going to lose yourself in this new relationship or love. You are going to be deeply anchored into your purpose, your passions, and be able to have that healthy love be a part of it all. So yay for that. Congratulations. Let me know if this resonates. And as always, breathe deep.